Every successful home purchase begins with smart planning at richmondcustomhomes.com. Buying your first home may seem overwhelming, but breaking it into steps makes it simple. Step 1. Check your finances, review your credit score, income, and savings. Step 2. Get pre-approved for a mortgage so you know your budget and show sellers you're serious. Step 3. Start house hunting and find a home that fits your needs and budget. Step 4. Make an offer. If accepted, your lender will begin processing your loan. Step 5. Complete a home inspection and appraisal to ensure the property is in good condition and fairly priced. Step 6. Head to closing day, sign the final documents, and get the keys to your new home. With the right guidance, the process becomes clear, manageable, and exciting. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.